Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube video on mutual funds. Here we are going to see what are the what is mutual fund, what are the types of funds, and how you can generate an income, and how much we'll have to invest. It's a very simple product, and which can it's a safe product where you can generate at least 10 to 12%, which is more than what we receive in our bank accounts. So here we are going to see what are the reasons to invest in mutual funds. One is for retirement purposes. People need a big corpus on retirement with current rate of inflation. On other purposes, we need a peaceful retirement, so invest for 20 or 25 years and to get a big corpus we can withdraw, which is called as systematic withdrawal plan. You can lead a peaceful retirement. Second is for the children's education, where they can withdraw for their children's education when they invest in initial years, and as the children grow up you can withdraw some amount and it saves you from making a loan or dipping into your other savings. Third is generating an additional income for the younger generation. If the income is not sufficient, you can invest in debt funds or money market funds to generate some additional income, which is a safe option. And the fourth is an important thing: buying a house or a car. And for other expenditures, you can invest in mutual funds. There are various products that are there. And fifth is for those who want to plan for a wedding or for a vacation or other expenses. Uh, Mutual funds are a very good option. And we are going to see the types of mutual funds. We have balance funds, income or debt funds, which are a mixture of both safer instruments, and they invest in bonds and gilts funds, and they generate a steady amount of return, which is about 8 to 10%. And then there are index funds and equity funds, which invest in the stock market, which will give you a little more return with a little more risk. And then the money market funds, which are there for a period of 60 to 90 days and can generate a decent return. So this is a very safe method, and all these are safe funds, and you can easily generate a decent corpus. We talk about one category of mutual funds, which are hybrid funds, which invest in both equities and fixed income, and so which give you a growth as well as income generation. When the market falls, they invest, and when the market goes up, they invest. There are fund managers who take care of your funds. They are unlike stocks where you have directly investment. You don't need to have much knowledge. So the fund manager takes care of all your investments. So we just need to invest and just relax. The categories are aggressive balance funds, conservative balance funds, pension plans, child plans, and monthly income plans. All these are self-explanatory, where aggressive balance funds are a little risky but will generate you at least 12 or 13%, which will beat inflation. And then we are going to see what are fixed income funds that are, which will give you a fixed income of about 9 or 10%. So short-term funds, bond funds, gilt funds, ultra short-term funds, and there are liquid funds. These are all have a short-term period, and you can withdraw in a period of, I think, around 6 months to 8 months. If you require the money, you can withdraw with little expense ratio. What is the age and minimum requirement? We start is when you start working, it's the best way to start investing. So 500 to 1000 will be a perfect amount. And then there is lump sum and investment, SIP. So SIP is you generate on a fixed date to invest you commit a particular amount, and if the market falls, you can use a lump sum. So in this way, you invest for 20 or 25 years, you definitely generate healthy corpus. You fix a goal, keep investing for 25 or 30 years, you can lead a peaceful life. And that's it about mutual funds. That is the time frame. You see, that is maximum. Start early, invest for at least 15 or 20 years, you'll see a good corpus. So if we see that how we can invest is, we can invest through post office and banks, and also offline methods. That's it about mutual funds. You can start investing. You can contact your nearest broker if you have a demat account, or you can directly invest through apps. That's it about mutual funds. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye bye.